Hi staff, today I'm going to show you how to block games and music on your students' Chromebooks in as few clicks as possible. So before I show you these steps, in the email with this link was also a file. It's an LSU file. I'd like you to download that file into your LanSchool folder on your desktop before you begin these steps. So again, in the email is an attached LSU file. Go ahead and download it onto your desktop in your LanSchool folder, and then you can follow the following steps to block music and games in as few clicks as possible. At this point, I have my class loaded into LanSchool. For this class period, I only have one student. He's my TA right now, but you'll have 30 students loaded into LanSchool. If you need directions on how to load your classes into LanSchool, you can visit Tech Tips or come and talk to me in the library. Once your class is loaded, you're going to click Limit Web in the upper right-hand corner. And when you click the drop-down, you're going to configure web limiting. Once you get to this setting, you're going to click on Block the following websites. Now here's where you're going to access that file that I included in the email. So you're going to load the file that I sent you. Here I've saved that LSU file in my LanSchool folder on my desktop, and I'm going to click Open. Once that loads into the web limiting configurations, you're going to see websites like Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Crazy Games, all of those sites that can be a distraction for our students. Then you're going to hit Apply and OK. Now that you've finished the configuration settings, you just have to go ahead and block it. So you're going to click the drop down from Limit Web and click Block List. You're about to restrict access on one student computer. I'm going to hit Continue. Once I do that, I'm going to see that the internet is blocked through the small world icon that shows up on that student's thumbnail. At this point, Jeff is attempting to access Spotify right now. He is my TA. If we take a look at his screen, we're going to see that he gets into Spotify, and then very quickly that website will be blocked once LanSchool kicks in. So you can see that the first couple seconds the student is able to access the app, and then the LanSchool is going to kick in and that site will be blocked. To allow that student to access those sites, once again, you would go up to Limit Web, and you would stop web limiting. So there you go, just a couple easy clicks to block games and music for your students. Now if you want me to add any sites to that list, you can email them to me and I can send out a new file, or you can create files on your own so that it's just a quick upload to enable that blocking. Have a great day, you guys. Thank you very much for watching.